Welcome to ReadPulse. In this video, we dive into the timeless classic, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book has inspired millions of people to achieve their personal and financial goals. Let's explore the key insights, author background, and moral story to understand the main idea of this transformative book. Napoleon Hill was an American self-help author who is widely considered one of the greatest writers on success. His most famous work, Think and Grow Rich, was published in 1937 and has since become one of the best-selling books of all time. Hill's principles of success have inspired countless individuals to achieve their dreams. So let us start this book's summary with a moral story so that the main theme of this book can be understood easily. In a small village, there was a young man named John who dreamed of being a successful trader. Despite working hard, John often faced problems and felt discouraged. One day, John decided to seek advice from the wise elder Thomas. The sage lived alone in the forest and was known for his wisdom. When John told Elder Thomas about his struggles, the sage said, "John, the problems you face are not just outside of you. They also come from your own doubts and fears. To succeed, you must first believe in yourself." Elder Thomas gave John an old staff and said, "Carry this staff with you. Every time you face a challenge, hold the staff and say, 'I am strong. I can do this. I will succeed.'" John did as the sage advised. Whenever he had difficulties, he held the staff and repeated the words. Over time, he felt more confident and tackled his work with new energy. With persistence and belief in himself, John became a successful trader. He returned to thank Elder Thomas, who smiled and said, "Remember, John, true strength comes from within. By believing in yourself, you have turned your dreams into reality." The moral of the story is that by overcoming our inner doubts and fears, we can achieve success. Just like John, if we believe in ourselves and keep going, we can overcome any challenge. Think and Grow Rich is based on Hill's study of successful individuals and outlines 13 principles for achieving success. Number 1. Desire. The starting point of all achievement. Hill emphasizes that having a burning desire is the foundation for achieving success. This desire must be specific, clear, and intense. It's not enough to wish for success. You must want it with a passion. Example: think of an aspiring entrepreneur who dreams of starting a successful business. They visualize their goal, write down their plan, and take consistent actions to bring their dream to life. Number 2. Faith. Visualization and belief in attainment of desire. Faith is the ability to visualize and believe in the achievement of your goals. He'll suggest that through affirmations and repeated positive thoughts, you can develop faith in your ability to succeed. Example: the entrepreneur regularly visualizes their business thriving and believes in their ability to overcome obstacles. Number 3. Autosuggestion. The medium for influencing the subconscious mind. Autosuggestion involves feeding your subconscious mind with positive thoughts and affirmations. By doing so, you can influence your subconscious to support your goals. Example: the entrepreneur repeatedly tells themselves, "I am capable of building a successful business," reinforcing their belief and determination. Number 4. Specialized knowledge. Personal experiences or observations. Hill emphasizes the importance of acquiring specialized knowledge related to your goals. This knowledge can come from formal education, self-study, or practical experience. Example: the entrepreneur takes courses, reads books, and seeks mentorship to gain expertise in their industry. Number 5. Imagination. The workshop of the mind. Imagination is where ideas are generated and plans are formulated. Hill distinguishes between synthetic imagination, rearranging existing ideas, and creative imagination, generating new ideas. Example: the entrepreneur uses their imagination to come up with innovative business ideas and strategies. Number 6. Organized planning. The crystallization of desire into action. To achieve success, you must create a concrete plan and take organized action. Hill outlines the steps for effective planning, including forming a mastermind group and seeking input from others. Example: the entrepreneur develops a detailed business plan, sets specific goals, and assembles a team of advisors. Number 7. Decision. The mastery of procrastination. Successful individuals make decisions promptly and stick to them. Hill warns against the dangers of procrastination and indecisiveness. Example: the entrepreneur makes quick, informed decisions about their business and follows through with determination. Number 8. Persistence. The sustained effort necessary to induce faith. Persistence is the continuous effort to achieve your goals despite setbacks and obstacles. Hill emphasizes that persistence is essential for success. Example: the entrepreneur faces challenges but remains committed to their goals, adapting and persevering until they achieve success. Number 9. The mastermind. The driving force. A mastermind group consists of individuals who support and collaborate with each other to achieve common goals. Hill highlights the importance of surrounding yourself with like-minded people. Example: the entrepreneur joins a network of other business owners, sharing ideas and resources to support each other's success. Number 10. The mystery of sex transmutation. Hill discusses the idea of transforming sexual energy into creative and productive outlets. This principle involves channeling one's energy and passion into achieving goals. Example: the entrepreneur focuses their intense drive and passion into building their business. Number 11. The subconscious mind. The connecting link. The subconscious mind plays a crucial role in influencing our actions and decisions. He'll suggest that by feeding the subconscious with positive thoughts and goals, you can align it with your desires. Example: the entrepreneur regularly practices meditation and visualization to program their subconscious mind for success. Number 12. The brain. A broadcasting and receiving station for thought. Hill explains that the brain is capable of sending and receiving thoughts. By tuning into positive thoughts and ideas, you can attract success. Example: the entrepreneur maintains a positive mindset, staying open to new ideas and opportunities. Number 13. The sixth sense. The door to the temple of wisdom. The sixth sense, or intuition, is a sense of knowing that guides you towards making the right decisions. Hill describes it as the creative imagination that connects you to infinite intelligence. Example: the entrepreneur trusts their intuition when making important business decisions, leading to successful outcomes. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is a timeless guide to achieving personal and financial success. By adopting its principles and putting them into practice, you can transform your mindset, overcome challenges, and achieve your goals. Remember, success begins with a clear desire and unwavering faith in your ability to achieve it. Thank you for tuning in to ReadPulse. We hope this audiobook summary has provided valuable insights to help you on your journey to success. Stay inspired, stay determined, and keep striving for greatness. Happy reading and happy listening.
Get the pulse of progress with ReadPulse.